It's the best hill in town. It's really nice when it gets really icy because you can go really fast. Pinehurst is a childhood favorite. I grew up going sledding here, and it's just naturally where I would bring my kids. Plus, it's really neat because it's a community that I grew up in, so everyone knows everyone. I just saw my son go up there, and some lady helped him in his sled to push him down the hill, and it's like that's what we kind of all do for each other. Everyone's parents here, so we all help each other out.
Well, I like to slide on my belly, for one, and I like to roll down the hills.
If you're looking for a good spot to go sledding or just to spend some time with your kids outside, this is a really great place to come.
The Slice from WDSE-WRPT.